Welcome marketeers. Today we will highlight major news and updates about Google, Google Search Console, Google Ads and Instagram Reels. Let's start. Hello and welcome to Infidigit's Digital Marketing News series where we present top digital marketing news weekly. So without further delay, let's begin with today's episode. First, we have major news update about Google. Google has announced it will launch the 5th product review update in the coming weeks. Just a few weeks after it finished rolling the latest product review update, the July 2022 product reviews on August 2nd. Besides the product review update, Google has also announced the rolling of helpful content update on 22nd August, highlighting more valuable results created for humans as opposed to web pages designed purely with SERP ranking in mind. Google's primary target with these updates is low-quality aggregator sites which aim to match up with common search terms to suck in more search traffic. Now Google says it will emphasize quality content and depth, which would change a broader SEO approach. Also, Google's John Mueller said on Twitter that lots of SEOs and sites produce terrible content that's not worth indexing when someone was complaining his content was not indexed. Just because it exists doesn't mean it's useful for users, he added. Now let's talk about Google Search Console. Google announced that the migration of Search Console properties to its updated item classification is complete. 2 months ago, Google began this effort to help Search Console users focus more on critical issues. To accomplish that goal, Google Search Console no longer groups URLs or items at the top level by 3 or more status categories. Let's move to Google Ads. Google has released version 11.1 of Google Ads API. Version 11 of Google Ads API was released in June and minor update to version 11. Next, Google has once again said that placing Google AdSense ads on your site will not and does not help your site rank in search. Google's Danny Sullivan responded to a tweet confirming that Google search does not look if the site has AdSense ads on them for ranking. Finally, we have social media news from Meta. Reel scheduling is now available to all users in the Meta Creator Studio with various formatting tools and features to help customize your content and schedule your posts all from your desktop PC. Meta has been rolling out Reel scheduling in Creator Studio over the past few months. The company also recently added a new video editing tool within the app, making cutting your longer clips into Reels, providing another avenue into short-form content. That's it for today's episode. We hope you found the latest video insightful. If you did, click on the red subscribe button below and click on the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. We have added all the news links and links to our social media platforms in the description below. That's it for now. See you in the next week with another episode.